Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add a column in Excel. Let's get straight into it. This works the same way whether you're on Windows, Mac, or using Excel for the web. Click on the letter at the top of the column where you want your new column to appear. If you want to insert a new column to the left of column B, click on the letter B in the gray header row at the top of your spreadsheet. The entire column will highlight when you click it. The new column will always insert to the left of whichever column you select. So if you click column B, the new column will appear where column B currently is, and the old column B will shift over and become column C. All the columns to the right will shift over by one position. Once you've selected your column, right-click anywhere on that highlighted column. A context menu will pop up right where your cursor is, showing a list of options in the drop-down menu. From that menu, click on Insert. Excel will automatically shift the column you selected and everything to its right one position over, creating space for your new blank column. If you inserted a column to the left of column B, your original column B is now column C, and the new blank column is sitting in the B position. Check that your new column appeared where you expected it. You should see a blank column with no data in it, and all your existing data should have shifted to the right by one column. The column letters will have updated automatically. After you insert the column, you might see a small Insert Options button appear next to the new column. If you click on it, you'll get a few formatting choices. The default option is Format Same as Left, which copies the formatting from the column to its left. You can also choose Format Same as Right to copy formatting from the column on the right, or Clear Formatting if you want the new column to have no special formatting. If the Insert Options button doesn't show up, you can enable it by going to File, then Options, then Advanced. In the Cut, Copy and Paste group, check the box for Show Insert Options buttons. This will make the button appear next time you insert a column. The new column is ready to use. You can start typing data into it, add formulas, or leave it blank for now. Thanks for watching.